Usage. SATA 15-pin to 6-pin adapter lets you use your SATA power cable to power your video card inside your computer. It is perfect if you don't have enough PCI-E power connectors to run your card. Perfect cable length. With 8-inch 20 cm length straight connector, this SATA power cable is perfect for internal cable management. Stress relief. Connecting a SATA power extension cable can decrease the risk of damaging internal connectors that are difficult to reach and unplug, and also reduce the strain on the connectors of SATA drives or a computer motherboard. No need upgrade. Eliminates the need to upgrade your existing SATA power supply in order to use a PCI Express video card. Extra support. ATI, Nvidia Graphic Card is also supported by this SATA power cable. Top reviews from the United States. Solved problem for Acer Aspire TC780. Must-have item if you purchase a MSI GTX 1050Ti Gaming X4G graphics card for a PC like my Acer Aspire TC780, which has a puny 300W PSU. The MSI card wouldn't even light up on just the PCI-E port. This cable solved the problem and it was a snug fit on both ends. Overall, I am happy with the purchase, but I wish someone had this information online before I ordered that card. I had to wait an additional 2 days for this adapter.